Hello. Welcome. Welcome to my house. It's not a house, it's an apartment, but whatever. Hey guys. Safety first. Let's cut in some onies. So how to keep it safe. Now I got these boys. Ooh, Maxie. Let's turn this up, huh? Let's get a noise complaint. Alright. Now, I'm doing some fire stuff. I'm doing some wings. Ooh. I got some wings coming. Alright. So these bad Larrys are already roasting. By roasting, I mean not roasting at all. I got the air fryer here. I got a katsu. I don't know. It's an air fryer. Also, I got some asparagus. Alright, let's get this chopped up, shall we, folks? Now, just to let you know, Montana Grass Band, Galaxy Grass style, very, very fire jams. They just came out their last album, Mermaid. Ooh, fire. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we got some chicken wings rolling up. So, I got some onions that I just cut up. Smash that in the pot. Alright? Next ones. Get the asparagus. Done. Smash it in the pot. Alright. So, folks. Now you're probably asking, why do I look so awesome? Because I have these safety goggles on. It's just, there's safety. If you ever have onions you want to cut at your own home, and you don't want to cry like a little girl or boy, whatever it is, 2020, I don't care. Sunset, whatever. Now, we're going to chop those in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm making, like I said, these chicken wings. They're of all of these gorgeous stuffs in them. So we'll go over a couple basic things that you might not know. So first off, I got the Egelhofer German mustard. I got some of the chili garlic. Some Boulder hot sauce, very good stuff. Harry's habanero. I got the Fuego box set, pretty fire. I got the Sriracha number 6 by Tully's. This stuff though, this is my favorite. Hands down, the best in the biz. Slap your mama's. I learned about this down in Louisiana. Now this is the hot stuff. Woo! Woo! Now, this is local to my hometown. Garden Catering, most fire deli. And back home, they get the fire nugs, fire honey mustard. I went through that in like a hot second, but I also got a little local Carolina garlic, but not local at all, because it's from Carolina. But Carolina, I mean California. Let's do some shots, shall we? Cheers. Now, how's everyone doing? Now, my favorite that I'm gonna glaze on these bad boys. If you guys know me, you know what this is. This is the most fire hash oil jam that I made a long time ago. So I'm just gonna smother it on top a little bit. Only a few. Only a few. All right, folks. Now, my mom's watching this. She knows that I used to never eat vegetables. Vegetables were the least favorite thing in the entire world. I was a SpaghettiOs all day kind of kid. Now, I'm not dissing SpaghettiOs. They're the most fire of all canned vegetables. Yes, I said vegetables. Now, folks, what we're going to do with these, we're going to make like a little Asian Cajun style asparagus. Alright, folks. Let's get this bit rolling. Garlic press. Stack. Alright, we're gonna smash this, and then you folks know what we're gonna do. I wish I was like Oprah. Then we're gonna smash that in the pot! Alright, folks. Now, what's everyone doing for Friday? Like I said, you guys, hopefully no one's going out. Not because you're grounded, because you're smart. Now, folks, like I said, I'm listening to the Kitchen Dwellers live from out there, brought to you by Nuts. Dave is the best. Dave got it all. Dave got it all. So I am very excited for this weekend. My old roommates, killing it in the game. They should be on tour, but you know what? They're smart. They're safe. They're not doing anything. But I digest. Alright folks, we got some time left on these. I'm going to throw some of this in here. And by this, into the asparagus. Let's take a peek, shall we? Hey Raj! What up, boy? Alright, so we get the asparagus in here. We're gonna throw about a couple spoons of this. And we're gonna throw a couple spoons, not spoons, but some garlic in there. I'm gonna throw extra hot sauce in there as well. And then we're gonna throw a bunch of lemon and smushed garlic, alright? Now, oh, back in the USSR, folks? Guys, if you don't know the Kitchen Rollers, you obviously haven't been a friend of mine on Facebook very long. Because I don't think I ever not talk about them. They're the best, dude. They're the best. Alright. Now what we're gonna do, like I said, I didn't do it, but we're gonna throw some teaspoons in the air. Now, one of my close friends, the man who played the Kitchen Rollers, he said when I was stringing the biscuits, I should have been making biscuits. When I was watching Goose, I should have been cooking a goose. That might happen. That may happen soon. But right now, I'm doing this for you guys because I want to make sure everyone has, hopefully, vegetables in their house. Hopefully some type of meat. But guys, the air fryer is the way to go. Chicken wings, unreal. Now every couple minutes, it's about 20 minutes, 25 minutes on 380, 390, depending on how fast you want them. These chicken wings are little shaky boys. Little shaky boys, little drizzies. Ooh, let's give that a shake. We're gonna toss them back in.
What did you put on there?
Oh, I put that slap your mama because it's so good. Maybe you want to slap your mama. Alright, I'm going to throw it back in there. I'm not going to lick my finger because that could kill me. Alright, folks. Now, I don't know if you see this. The ambiance in here tonight. Unbeatable. Unbeatable. Alright. So I got 4 pounds of chicken wings. That's enough to feed one high person or 2, mediocrely high people. Now, or a family of 4. It's really up to you guys. Whatever, whatever you want to do. Whatever lifestyle gets thrown at you, do it. Now, I hope everyone has at least watched enough TV to at least memorize their favorite movie again. But, God, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? You got to hug each other once from afar. So if you guys want to all come in here, I'll give you a hug. That's me hugging you. So we're going to do that again soon. Now, this ain't no ordinary Martinelli's, fam. We did a little brewing of this unfiltered Martinelli's with some of his bullet birds. 1 cup. What else?
Cloves.
Some cloves. Nutmegs. Cinnamons. Pumpkin spice. What else? I saw some fruits and veg in there. What was it? Apple? Pear?
Good slice of oranges.
Ooh.
Pear, apple.
Ooh. Ooh. Apple. Ooh. Alright. So, next thing we're going to do is spice up asparagus. Let's get this bitch ripping. We're going to throw some garlic in there. You know what? We're going to smash down the pot. Let's get some more cloves, fam. Let's get... Where they at? I lost them all. Hey! Oh, fun fact. I don't know if you guys know this trick, but I will show you. You ever have unpeeled garlic? You take these bad Larrys. 1, 2, 3. Drop that in there. And then you just shake it. You just shake it for a minute. And then all those come out perfectly peeled. You don't have any garlicky hands? Now, again, we're gonna smash that in the pot. Ooh. Well, can we turn up these jams? Because I've been looking for experience. Things that make me worry. Alright, folks. Gotta stay safe. Gotta stay safe. Now I'm gonna move the Martinellis. But let's just take a sip. Right? Ooh, I'm gonna use the garlic cup. Because I'm not a vampire. Cheers. Ugh. Now you ask, what do I do with all these pieces of garlic, all these onion shavings, all the other things that I don't want to throw in the trash? I have a composting thing that I do. Well, I don't do it. Somebody else does. I can't get this top on for the life of me, so I'm just gonna put it over here. But there's a composting site. I think it's $12 a month. What is it? Scraps. Throw those scraps in the scrap trash, bro. Get them all ready to go. Ooh, and I get if I'm lonely. Now let's go check out these wings, shall we? Man, guys, these are good. These are good wings. Now, this is how I walk through my house at night when I'm scared of ghosts. Now, all right. Now, for those of you that know me, and you know my dance. Upside down gargoyle. Look what I found. An upside down gargoyle! This shit doesn't get made up! Cord, if Zach Keister is not in this room within 5 seconds, I will close this down. I don't care if you have to call him or what, get him in here! Whoa, God. Alright, folks. It's about to go down. So, this asparagus, not only does it make your pee smell, it also makes you feel great. Throw it again, smash that garlic in the pot. Get another clove in here. Didn't work, but we'll pretend like it did. We're gonna smash that one in the pot, man. Alright. Now, by the way, I have a couple more wings I'm gonna do, but I already had the other ones started, so you guys are good to go. You'll be here soon. All right. Now. Okay, folks. Can you hear the tunes? Can you hear the tunes? Hey, Des! Des, you should have seen my pantry. I was pouring out earlier. Now, what is everyone up to? How have you been? It's been so long. I don't even know what day it is. It's Friday, because I don't work tomorrow. I know that. You guys holding up? You guys holding up? I hope so. Now, folks, I was thinking about making some jam soon too. Sweet tooth fam, you know, you guys, you little sluts. All right. Now, guys, here we go. You ready for this? Hey! Ooh. Now you don't normally. More of this. So good. So good. Now, Courtney! Guys, it's been a crazy month. Crazy month. That's what we're here for. We're just here to keep you guys entertained. You guys should hug each other. Virtual hugs. Fuck pokes. Just hug. Woo-woo! Alright. Now, just to reiterate, guys, we got the kitchen rollers on the Nugs live stream. We got them right here. We got the candle. We got the candle. We got the... Ooh! We howling? Yo, girl, what time is it? We howling.
We got 27 minutes.
27 minutes? I'll keep you guys with me for 27 minutes. If you will stay, we will howl. All right. Now, let's check this big go. So, whew, now, spicy. I made some of these asparagus guys the other day. And then I also, what I did was, I made those tortilla pizzas, the tortillas, and then I chopped it up, threw it on a pizza with some olive oil, a little lemon, mozzarella, fire. Alright, let's check these. Alright, folks, we got some love coming in. By love, I mean it's flying in real nice. Now, let's give it another drizz. Drizz for the biz. Yo, ooh. Guys, ladies, everyone. See these? Just wait. Stay tuned. So much more. Guys, my neighbors. Excuse me. It's really spicy, so that's why I don't have the roan. I don't got that roan. It's just spicy cooking. All right, another local plug. Little Odd 13 super fam. Ooh, yo, friends, saying hi to friends. Look what we're doing. We're bringing the band together. All right, folks. Now, where's everybody from? What do we got? I got some local friends. I got some friends from Ascani's. We got a PA. Oh. All right. Let's get some of this lemon brewing. Guys, these space sounds are wild. All right, folks. But nice. Serving plate. Alright, let's get a taster up here. Hey, Jess!
Hey.
Jess!
Coming in hot.
Hold on, it's not done yet. Jess, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone out there.
Jess, you have anything to say?
I teach yoga. How about that? If you wanna flex with me, we can do that.
Better not flex on her.
Not that way, but the other way.
You can flex with her, not on her.
Yeah, to be clear. But it's 3 days a week, but I'm happy to do that anytime with y'all because it's good to move.
Ooh.
Move your digestion with food and with food.
I know it doesn't look the most appealing, but it is delicious.
Oh no, it looks bomb.
Let's try it out, Jess.
It's great, I can't wait.
Guys, ladies, gents, kids. Hopefully there are not too many kids in it. Is it good? Fire? Let's try it.
Here's the tip. Cheers. Delicious. Great job.
Oh my god.
Great job.
Fire.
You guys what? Gavin will make this for you.
I'll just blow it out.
Touch.
I'll leave it outside. You want wings? I'll make them. I'll send.
no
You. I won't drive to
contact.
you. You come to me. I'll drop my. If I drop them off, I mean out my window or out my front door. Woo! These are hot.
These are so good.
All right. Safety first. All right, folks. Oh my God. Guys, Parmesan cheese saves my life. What do you guys think of the kitchen always set? I just started listening to it. It sounds great. It sounds great. Now, Now what else you got? You guys, woo, woo. Seriously, that pepper, this guy, don't overdo it on this. It'll do it. It'll do it. Hey, Jamie, bro, Castle Pines, what's going on, bro? All right, these chicken wings about to be popping off soon. We're about to throw them down. And we're about to throw this batch in. This kitchen expansion. All right, folks. Like I said, you can use these on pretty much anything. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Now let's get this laid out properly, and I'll send you guys a photo. Now, I just want to make sure everyone, you guys ever just want to hang out, you want to talk, you want to Zoom, you want to FaceTime, you want to do whatever. I don't have an iPhone, but if you ever want a video chat and you just want to bullshit, you let me know. I got a job, so I can't really do it during the day, but at night, I'll just hang out, I'll bullshit with you guys. I miss you. I miss you guys hearing my dumb shit that comes out of my mouth, and that's the only way I get to do it, but I can't get to see your face if I'm doing too much, too little, but let's be real, you know I do too much all the time, and you guys don't give a fuck. Oh.
Alright, close up of these asparagus.
Ooh. Guys, safety first, always. Next rule, Parmesan cheese goes good on everything. Guys, it's crazy. It's a crazy time. But we got the jam station, we got jams, we got pans, we got asparagus, we got wings, we got each other, so it's good. That is good. Alright. Let's get this mound. This herd of asparagus. Oh. Alright, folks. Brett, what up, buddy? Carl, good to see you. Yo, that's a great one, Carl. I don't have any clothespins, but I should be just pinning up everything. Now, folks, there's 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes on these wings, and we'll just chow a few down with those other ones in the pot. And we'll just chat. We'll just have a good time. We'll just bullshit it up. Now, seriously, guys, if you guys don't have, I'm not gonna open my spice cabinet because, as you can see, free Howling! I took this photo of the kitchen dwellers during their sound check at Cervantes in Denver, and then I asked our good friend Andy Gallen to make this for their new album Year Made. And as you can see, there's Torin, Max, Joe, Sean, there's Stu, Dave, and me. Guys, I could be a weatherman. I did that perfectly. All right, next. Ooh, hell yeah, folks. Let's get this rolling. Free Howling, jump bowling. All right, guys. Ooh. These bitches be, these ladies be clucking. AF. Ooh, guys. Ooh, a little parm on here. And then let's throw these in a little thing. By thing, I mean a plate. All right, folks. Now let's get a plate. Got a nice plate over here. All right. Ooh. I hope everyone's staying safe. You know, you go out, you should wear a mask. I mean, I'm not a doctor, but at the same time, just do it for other people, right? Now, oh, God. We also, oh, man. These are hot wings, dude. Oh. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, but every time I make these things, they're really good. All right. Now, as you can see, I got these other ones sauced up. We're gonna, hey-ho! It's on a pot, but we'll smash that in the pot. All right, folks. That asparagus is good. We should be meeting that that moment of just hanging out for a little bit, you know, just really just kick it, you know, chill, talk about what, you know, what's going on. By me talking about things, you guys can just, you know, tell me what's going on. But yeah, this, Jess got this. It's old yellow habanero mustard, Al Brown. It's from New Zealand. New Zealand. It's really good. Oh my God, guys, ladies, gents, peeps. We got some wings. All right, folks, stay tuned. By stay tuned, I'm not hanging up. Don't worry. All right. Now, if you guys don't have a Fuego box, highly recommend getting one. I had one. I got a bunch of 3 different spices every month that you choose. You don't choose from. They just send them to you, and then you can just make wings all the time and just kind of mess around and see what works best for you. Now, Jess. Oh, woo, too hot, too hot, too hot. Sip it slowly. All right, folks. Ooh, we got a crown. Kiss rollers, the crown. All right, folks. Time to get a little spacey. Now this jam I made, it's a raspberry habanero edible. Where this, we'll see where this takes me. This could get really interesting, or I could just fall asleep on the floor. It really is up to you guys. By how long you stay tuned. Woo! Now, I'm thinking about making some jams, you guys, soon. I was also gonna make some edibles. I don't really know. We'll see. Probably not gonna send them anywhere, but I'm just gonna them shove them down my whore mouth. As you guys like to hear. I'm gonna shove them down my whore mouth, and we'll be good to go. Oh, little porny boys on here. Oh, oh. Now, what's everyone got on their agenda for their Friday? What are you guys doing? You guys hanging? Let me know. Let me know. What do we got? Oh, Dylan! Yo, my boy Dilly! Yo, Dylan. How you been? It's been forever. We need to hang out once all this is over. What else you got? Toe Funk jams. Yeah. Ooh. Guys. Ooh. Ooh. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ooh. Little parmy boy. Damn bar! What up, bro? Oh my God.
So I broke my vegetarianism for these birds. So that's how good they are.
She's a vegetarian.
Only during the day.
Uh,
My belly, free range, free bird. I'll do that.
Free bird!
It's so good.
Wow.
Wow.
Alright, folks. So we got some. Yeah, I wish, Dylan, if you wanna drive by, I'll throw one of these out my window. Dan Bar, I haven't seen you since Whole Foods. I hope you're doing well. I see your karaoke jams. They're fire. Keep those up. I hope you have neighbors, because they should hear that stuff too. God, these are good.
These are the best you've made.
Really?
Fire.
Oh!
Really?
Oh!
Really?
So guys, super simple. Super simple stuff. The air fryer literally changed my life. Reheating pizzas, making anything you could possibly ever imagine. French fries, easiest thing. I'll make those for you guys soon. The number one thing if you are gonna make French fries, what you gotta do, soak those sliced up long boy potato russets in salt water for at least 10 minutes. Once you do that, then throw them in the air fryer, season to taste, shake. Season to taste, shake, and then you're good to go. Literally, there is a French fry button on the thing. You can't mess this shit up, dude. You can't. If you're doing it wrong, what are you doing? All right.
Babe, this is literally the wind beneath my wings right now.
Ooh, the winds beneath your wings. Guys, Dylan, how's Eden? Let me know. I'm sending my love to your little Boo Bear. She's the best. Now, folks, I went with the long original wing, like what you would get if you just had the wing. Oh my god, it's fire. Now, if you guys want, I'm gonna be making more jams. I'm gonna be making some other stuff. You holler at your boy, yo, jam! It's been ages, bro. Hope you're good. Down in the islands. Oh. Guys, this Kitchen Roller show, $5. $5, just buy it. You can watch it. It's super easy. You just literally go in, Kitchen Rollers, nugs on it, boom, good to go. Yeah. My horse gullet is full of wing, dude. Remember, take it out, shake it, sauce it, splurge it. Love it. Don't forget the goo. Alright. Now we're gonna throw these back in. Where's some of those asparagus? Woo! Now, folks, I hope you guys are good. Ian, hey! Guys, cooking. Woo! Those asparagus are really hot. Cooking's probably the best thing you can ever do for your body, your mind, and your soul. And I work for a food company, but at the same time, I use restaurants all over town. But my favorite thing, my favorite food that ever comes out anywhere, right there, and the air fryer, and it also goes down my nice gut. All right, folks. Now, if you guys know about musties, German mustards, hands down my fave. Hands down my fave. Guys, are you about to howl? Don't forget the howl tonight. The howling goes wild.
10 minutes.
We have 10 minutes to howl? Woo-hoo-hoo. Looks like y'all are. Alright. Ooh, little Driftwood by the Kitchen Roller is also on their new album, Fire Jams. Terry! Yeah, Terrence, I'm literally right next to where I met you in my apartment, but I'm right next to Lagatuna's old apartment. God. Let's check out these wings, shall we? Ooh. We got a good wing basket here, boys. Alright. Woo! Guys, my mouth is on fire. My mouth. Ooh, what do you got?
Four noses.
Ooh, 4 noses. Guys. Alright, so all I've been doing literally is just been cooking, working, drinking, taking down, and playing video games and watching live streams of music. It is possibly the best thing ever. Freeborn! Yo, Freeborn! Yo, where can I get a chef's cooking coat brought to you by Freeborn Designs, bro? Holler at your boy, I will plug you all day. Now, guys, if you don't know Freeborn Designs, coolest dude ever, dresses up everybody. Pretty sure he's done string cheese, Lotus, used to Daft Punk. Fire coats, bro, fire coats. Greg! Yo. You know I'm a saucy boy. I'm a saucy boy. Alright. Seriously though, I'm not gonna stop plugging this all day. If you guys don't have this in your Amazon cart by tonight, I'm not gonna unfriend you because I need followers. But shit, it's Bob. Greg knows, it knows. Woo! What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Guys, we have 7 minutes to howl. And I don't know if you guys know what the howling's about, but you gotta do it for your local workers, man. The local first responders. The people that put their lives on the line so we don't have to, right? Just go outside and beat a drum, beat a gang, beat up, somebody.
Beat your horde gullet.
Beat your horde gullet with one of these. Oh! One of those, like something. Just do something like that. All right. Oh, these wings are almost done. All right. If you've never seen this band, go do it. I've seen them. It's too many times to count. But it's enough. It's enough. What do we got? River Eaten Meats ground beef for burgers, dude. Ooh. Yo, I can't wait for you to bring her over too, bro. I can't wait for you to bring her over too. If you don't know Eden, fam, Eden is the cutest black lab. No offense if you have one. She's my favorite. No, we're not. Just fuck off. She's the best. She's the best. That dog will find a tennis ball you hid in your apartment 3 months ago, and then bring it to you 2 seconds after she's been in your house. All right, folks. Oh. Woo. Spicy mouth. All right, folks. We need a little extra blast. I know I said my horn mouth is hot, but shit. All right, folks. Nope. What have you guys been making? What's your shit? You guys I hope you made the Piper Gate. The Piper Gate was fire. But like I said, I got this for $2.99. You get this for like $1. No, more than that, but you get enough. And add all this stuff together, it's fine. Get 1 lemon, conventional, organic, I don't care. Just make it. Just make it. Make it for yourself. Treat yourself. Treat your body. Guys, now, there's a couple other things I need you guys to do besides eat your wings. Super easy. You get an air fryer, just blast them in the mouth, blast them in the oven, an air fryer, pull them out, just shake them.
It's the cord.
There's a cord. Fell. I mean, a ghost. Guys, get 5 minutes. 5 minutes to howl, and also 15 minutes for wings. Way too much time for wings. All right, folks. Let's field some questions. Ben, yo, what's up, buddy? We got some questions. What do we got here? Oof. Greg, how's life? How's Tara doing? Dylan, what you holding up with, dude? What you smoking on? My meats, I mean. Because I saw that meat you made. Fire, dude. Fire grounds. Now, say a word. Guys, safety first in the kitchen. Always keep your goggles on. Remember. And just to let you know, this is asparagus. And this is flames. I saw Greg responded. Carino, how you been, dog? How's back east? I miss you. I hope you're staying safe. I had garden catering the other day, bro. I got Mike Lowry's. That Mike Lowry seasoning, dude. Shaky boy. God.
Will you try this? It's delicious.
Let's try this. Ooh, we got 4 noses. Local plug here.
It's delicious.
Mountain Wave.
Mosaic.
American Mosaic. I don't know why I said it like that, but it's American Mosaic. Ooh. Tasty jams. Ooh. Guys, now I hope everybody, like I said, you got your local eats. You guys are making sure everyone's fed. Now, you guys go to the store. You guys get something delivered. What's your move here? What do you guys do? What do you guys do? I really do grocery delivery service. or I have an amazing woman that will go to the grocery store for me because I don't want to and I'm terrified of going because I'm susceptible to getting really sick. But I do make some fire foods.
PPE, you know me.
She got that PPE, fam. She got that PPE.
You know me.
All right, you know me. So it's nice. It's really nice. So like I said, we went because I went to Marsdick's the other day. Fire wings, fire tortillas, fire everything. Really good, but I couldn't pick it up. You had to wait till Tuesday, so I had to go to Whole Foods today. Trying to support local small biz. Ooh. Foundation also on that new album, fans. Smash that Kitchen Roller subscribe button in the link above. I don't have any links above, but just search the Kitchen Rollers on Spotify.
Up underneath the Kitchen Rollers.
Yeah! So it's fire. It's fire
1
stuff.
minute to Howling.
What? Where does the time go? Where does it go? Guys, you ready to howl? You guys ready to howl? I don't care what time it is to you. Oh, I got some green dot. I got that green dot. I also got some 14er, Dylan. Some fire. Luke, what up, man? Yeah. So, guys, time to plug some other stuff. What else we got?
8 p.m., babe.
8 p.m. Guys, follow me.
Oh, it's colorful. The latest.
Woo! Woo! You hear this? You hear this? Oh! Guys, it's loud tonight. It's some good stuff. That Port Java. Yo, you see that? Oh, this whole place goes ham. Whole place goes ham. Yo, smash that bell! Get a load of this, right? Who's got that loud triangle? I don't know. Guys, some good stuff. All right, folks. Let's get back to this check-in. All right. I think, you know what? Ooh. This kitchen be bitching, fam. Ooh. Guys, this has been one hell of a ride. I'm gonna cheers you, and then I'm gonna smash all this food down my whore mouth. All right. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where are we going? 1 second, folks. I love all of you. You guys are my closest friends that I have today. Because I'm literally, this is all we have. So, you guys zoom it up with your friends. You guys say hi. You guys hug your family from afar if you're not with them. Just, love them. Do what you're supposed to do. And just remember that we're all here. You guys ever want to bullshit? You want to do some trash talking? You want to do some... I don't know. But cheers. I love you. And we'll talk soon. Bye, guys.